What would happen if everyone on Earth jumped at the same time? Imagine billions of feet leaving the ground, a momentary suspension of humanity in mid-air. To understand the impact, we need to talk about mass and force. Mass is the amount of matter in an object. Force is a push or pull that can change an object's motion. Earth is incredibly massive. The combined mass of every human is dwarfed by the Earth's mass. Imagine billions of people all leaping into the air at the same time. The shockwave could cause minor tremors, unsettling nature's balance. Wildlife could be disturbed, with birds taking flight en masse and animals fleeing their habitats. Our actions, no matter how small, always have an impact. Let's take our imagination a step further. What if we tried our synchronized jump on the Moon or Mars? On the Moon, with 1/6 of Earth's gravity, our jumps would be much higher. Instead of barely leaving the ground, we would float gracefully. On Mars, with gravity about 1/3 of Earth's, our jumps would be higher but not as dramatic as on the Moon. Mars has a thin atmosphere, so there would be some air resistance. The Martian surface, rocky and uneven, would add complexity to our synchronized leap. These thought experiments remind us of the fascinating differences in physical laws across various environments. To understand the science behind our synchronized jump, we reached out to experts. Dr. Emily Carter, astrophysicist. The combined mass of all humans is minuscule compared to the Earth's mass. Even if we all jumped at once, the effect on the Earth's movement would be imperceptible. Fade out to a serene view of the Earth from space. Let's summarize our synchronized jump. Our combined mass is minuscule compared to Earth. Even if all humans jumped, the impact would be imperceptible. Fun fact, Javier Sotomayor holds the record at 8 feet. Even if all humans synchronize their jumps, the force we generate would be negligible. It would be like trying to move a mountain by blowing on it. The Earth would not budge. Like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating science videos.